It's no fun trying to do things when we're all alone. So hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali.
Assalamu alaikum, Baba Ali.
Wa alaikum salam.
What you have behind your back, Baba Ali? Oh wow, a lollipop. What about the other hand? Wow, another lollipop. Yum.
MashaAllah, he's got 2 lollipops.
They look very sweet and yummy.
I wish I could just have a little taste.
Are you gonna eat them?
Bismillah.
It's great you remember to say Bismillah before eating, Baba Ali.
Is it good, Baba Ali? Baba Ali, can you share it with us?
Yeah, please. My mouth is all watery.
Can you share it with us?
Yeah, you have 2 big lollipops. I don't think you can finish both of them. Can you please share one with us?
I know Baba Ali is a good friend.
Yeah, you're right. He is a good friend.
Yeah, I know Baba Ali is gonna share it with us. Just wait and let him think about it first.
Yeah, good idea. Go ahead, Baba Ali. Think about it.
Just remember, Baba Ali, sharing is being kind and nice.
Yeah, it is good to share, you know.
Yeah, eating is so much fun when you share with your friends.
Yeah, if you share with us, we can all enjoy it.
Baba Ali, you know, Muslims like to share, especially if you have more.
Oh, look, I think he's going to share that one with us.
Hooray for Baba Ali! Jazakallahu khairan, Baba Ali. Thank you so much.
Yummy. They're so good. Thank you, Baba Ali. Yeah, you are such a nice friend.
It's so much fun when you share with your friends. See you later, Baba Ali. Assalamu alaikum.
If Baba Ali can do it, so can you. Why be afraid of trying something new? We need someone we trust standing near, someone we know to give a rousing cheer. So hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali. La la la.